The third one is Atlas 2.0. So Atlas is the PAB solution that Genius Shield builds from themselves. So there are other PAB solutions. There is the PAB built by IOG. There is the PAB by Lucid, which is also very popular in TypeScript. So this PAB is in Haskell and is a core component for any dApp to basically it's the link between the on-chain code of the scripts and then the off-chain code of interacting with the scripts, building the transaction, doing the coin selection, and many other things. And so right now, Atlas 1.0 is live. It's public. It's been open source. It's used under the hood for all the Genius Yield and Genius X products, but it's also used by other projects on Cardano that use it as their PAB infrastructure. In this 2.0, we're introducing a number of new advanced features, such as support for metadata for assets and NFTs, support for building pilot transactions and chaining transactions. And then we're also introducing the idea of UTxO caching, so allowing you to send multiple transactions back to back and be able to have a sense of removing pending UTxOs, which can help, in high frequency trading environments, and many other advanced functionalities. So I invite you to check out our proposals. There are much more details to each of those. They're quite technical proposals. So if you really want more details, I want you to look at our proposals, and we've put a lot of effort into really breaking down exactly what we're building across all of them.